How to add Amazon products to Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add Amazon products to Wix website. So first of all, you need to have an account on Amazon Associate to list your products on Wix website. So as you can see that you can sign up to Amazon Associates and you can recommend and earn money. You can earn up to 10% of the affiliate fees from the qualifying purchase and programs. And after that, once you created your account on Amazon Associate, just go to your Amazon. And from here you have to select the product that you want to sell, that you want to add on your Wix website. For example, I'm searching for headphones. So all you have to do is just go ahead and copy the link of this particular product. Just go to your Wix and here just click on edit site. And now just click on the first icon at the left side of your screen. Click on add elements. And under the text you will see I am a paragraph. Just click here to add I'm just adding a paragraph. So in order to add Amazon product, you just have to insert the link of the product that you have copied from your Amazon website to your Wix website. Just copy the link and replace this word here, or you can also make this here clickable while inserting the link of the product here. And in the similar manner, you can add as many products as you want to. So that is how you will be able to add Amazon product to your Wix website. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.